Hello, today I will show you how we can set up a Conda environment to run Vissim, and we will basically use a VISSIM-COM interface. To do that, at first we need to install mini Conda, and you can do it from this link. I will put it in the comment. And then you need to create an environment in here. This is the Conda prompt, and you can create an environment in here. So to do that, we will just write Conda create, and then there will be the name of the environment which you can put anything you wish, and you can also specify the Python version. For example, here I will put some Python version in here. The benefits of adding an environment is that with this you don't actually have to deal with version issues. You can directly export the Python different library packages and their version numbers to a separate text file, and then you can load these text files later. And so when you will load the environment at a later time, there will be no conflict on version on the library packages. So that is the main benefit of creating an environment. Now you need to activate the environment. I prefer the Conda environment mostly because the Conda environment does not require any admin right. So if you're in a office or using your university computer, you actually don't have to deal with the admin rights and stuff like that. You can install it by yourself. Now let's test if our Python is installed and stuff like that. Yeah, so it is installed. So just quit and we will install some library packages so that we can run Vissim. So the first package that we need to install is the pybin32. This is the main package that will go through the open or launch the Vissim. Simple command. Okay, so now I want to install Spider, which is basically an IDE. I like this one, so and I've been using this for quite some time, so I am using this IDE. But if you have any preference like PyCharm or other, you can use that as well. So our Conda Spider is installed, and now if we want to run Spider or install other packages, we can do it from Conda environment as well. We just simply need to write some commands like conda install numpy pandas matplotlib, etc. And this will basically install it, and I have already installed this, so I'm not going to repeat the process. And now if we want to run or open a Spider, we can just simply just write Spider. I want to open a new file and want to just put it at the desktop. One of the reason I like Spider is that you can do block coding here as well. So this is actually the main library to access to VISSIM-COM, and yeah, so it's not giving us any error. And if you wish, you can import other library packages. Import numpy like that. And if you just hit shift and enter, this will run this cell alone. But we can go more like. And here we will write the Vissim version, and this number is actually the Vissim uh, model number, version number. If you write 20, it will open Vissim version 20. If you have multiple instances of Vissim, this can be helpful. I'm just writing Vissim 22, and we can load the network now. I want to open this file. So, and our working directory, my working directory is set to this one. I can do it. Set my working directory first, and then work on this specifically. So, now if I just hit shift enter, then it will run this cell only. But if I hit F5, it will run the whole script. I just want to go cell by cell, so I'm hitting shift enter first. And you can also actually name the cell first. So like, so you see here is the name of the cell, and yeah, it is run. Now we want to load Vissim. The network file does not exist. So okay, I think I will. Okay, I can just put the whole directory here, and let's see if this runs. Oh, there is this one. It should be npx. Okay, so now Vissim is open. Now we can actually access to Vissim links and objects like that, or we can run Vissim as well. So at first I will create some references to Vissim objects and classes, instances. Now I will write some codes to access to Vissim.com objects and stuff like that. Just In later separate videos, I will explain what this does. But for now, just check that if everything and we can everything is fine and or we can access to Vissim. Okay. One of the reasons that I like Spider is that we can also use the console apart from the script file here. So if you just write roaming dot, there's the com object, and name this thing to test so that we can test it here. And let's see, we can grab this attribute value. Mm, we should add color. Yeah, it's it. We can also take this to different something. This link number 2. So go there and just put. Okay, so this means our Vissim is properly sorry, our Conda environment is properly set up, and we have installed the rack packages, and now we can access to VISSIM-COM. In the next videos and next tutorials, I will show in detail how these things we can access to these things, how we can play with these things. Thank you.